Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI trading bots, which is Trojanbot and BullX. So to get started with the review about the two AI trading platform. Trojanbot is a well-established and a comprehensive Telegram bot known for its robust feature set and versatility. It provides advanced trading options like MEV protection, limit order, dollar cost averaging, and copy trading, allowing for more renounced strategies even in the volatile meme coin market. Its long-standing presence and continuous development, including a potential future token, have built a strong reputation for fast execution and a broad range of functionalities, making it suitable for traders who value control and a detailed analytics alongside speed. On the other hand, BullX has emerged as a multi-chain platform with a strong focus on meme coin discovery and community-driven features. It offers unique tools like pump vision for tracking token pumps and integrate with popular launchpad like Pump Fund, aiming to give users a hedge in finding new meme coin opportunities early. While it also provides core trading features and advanced portfolio analytics, BullX emphasizes on gamification, social trading, and educational resources, appealing to broader audience that enjoys a more interactive and discovery-oriented approach to meme coin trading. However, some reviews suggest its advanced trading features might not be as expensive as Trojanbot, and its relatively newer presence means less along teams user feedback compared to Trojanbot. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Give it a turn notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.